How to write loops. Loops allow you to repeat a sequence of expressions. This means that you can make some programs very much shorter. Let's look at a program that tells a bot to draw a 6-ray star. It's a long program. It requires a lot of typing. So I'm going to right-click, copy, right-click, paste. Let's put the transcript back in here. Now let's run the program. And there we are. That program drew a 6-pointed star. But let's look at how to program it without doing all that typing. We need to use a loop. We're going to use the loop method times repeat, which lets you repeat a given number of messages a given number of times. So let's start with, we're going to declare the variable Pika, and we're going to tell the robot that Pika is a new bot, period. Now, we're going to use our loop command. Notice we do not put the robot's name first. We just write 6 times repeat, small t, big R, and then a colon. New line, tab. Now, the expressions to be repeated are enclosed in square brackets. So, square bracket, Pika should go 70 pixels, period. Tab. Pika should turn left, 180. So it's going to draw a line, and then it's going to turn right around. Pika is now going to go 70 again. So in other words, it's going to go back the way it came to its beginning position. Then it's going to turn around so that it's facing the way it was when it started. And now we tell it. So we drew this line, we came back here. Now we've got to get it ready to draw this line. This is divided into 6 segments, okay? So we've got to divide 360 by 6, which gives us 60. So we're going to say Pika turn left 60. Now that is the last command we need in this block of expressions to be repeated. So we're going to close it with a square bracket. Every time you open something with a square bracket, you've got to close it with a square bracket. These expressions, which are enclosed inside the square bracket, is called a block. Okay, I'm going to clear all. Let's see what happens. Exactly the same thing. How much shorter is that? Please notice that I indented these. You do not have to indent the block, but it makes the program very much easier to read. Once you're writing longer programs, please always remember to indent blocks because it makes the program easier to read. So, to summarize, the message times repeat is sent to an integer, in this case 6, and the integer is the number of times the sequence should be repeated. This must be a whole number. This is how to do a loop.